that this is the page that Alan, our admin user, will land at. We're getting the admin user credentials, and so they won't have the ability to make a profile. So alan@example.com are the credentials. Password is password. They log in, be it a he or a she. Alan was just our persona that we used for the admin user, hence the reason for alan@example.com. And they come in, they can click around and see active campaigns, they can see new campaigns, or they can create a new campaign. They can see archive campaigns as well. Currently, we have one archive campaign. For the sake of this, they can also look around and see the event maps and data. So they can see create a new campaign or add existing. They can look at the different types of XML data that there is, that we inputted using a JSON reader. They can see the description, they can click a link for more info, they can see the date and timestamp for the actual event. And they can do that for each of these event types, be it fire, earthquake, river gauge, weather hazard, tsunami. They can also create other types of alerts. We just wanted to use the state data that was provided to us specific to weather. And so, for the sake of this demo, Alan's going to create a new campaign. When we talked to the Ventura County Program Manager, what he said to us is they create campaigns based on street name. So, Market Street Fire. Since we're in San Francisco, and our office, IBM office is in Market Street, we're going to put advisory. We don't have a template, but Alan said they have a specific template they would use to send an actual message. For the sake of this prototype, I'm just going to input a message to a citizen user, or to a resident user, excuse me. So, please be aware. Stay out of their way. Check in on loved ones. Alan can send a notification at the street level, zip code level, or city level. For the purposes of this prototype and experience right now, we're going to put Market Street. And we're also going to input San Francisco because that's a city. And so then we're going to send notification. So the new campaign was created. As you can see, the advisory came up here. So the campaign was created and exists here as far as active campaigns. Alan can create a new alert for that specific campaign. He could show the details for that campaign. And while on that page, he can end campaign as well. So if you wanted to end the campaign, he could. Here you can see the SMS message he sent, what type of alert it was, be it advisory, mandatory evacuation, or voluntary evacuation, which that labeling we received from our admin user. He can also see recipient analytics. For the sake of this, we put in randomized numbers. However, on the actual active campaigns, he can see who clicked the alert on this page, and he'll be able to see that once I click the alert. And if you heard the dinging or the ringing, that was my phone going off because I received a notification from Alan. And so I just got a text message that said there's a fire on Market Street. Tap to click the preview. Boom. And so there you go. So I just clicked on the link, and it takes me to a new page that says be prepared. Boom.